everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica. Today we're going to be unboxing the September Precuts Classic Quilt Box. If you're unfamiliar with this box, I will put a link in the description box below where you can get it. It's full of sewing notions, quilting notions, patterns, fabric, all kinds of goodies, and it's a monthly subscription box. Let's go ahead and take a look and see what's inside this month's box. So as always, they have a little insert in here that tells you everything that's in the box, how much the value is of it, a little bit of information on the designer. This month's designer is Jerry Gibson, and then it has a little bit of her bio on the back, and then they also have some hashtags you can use to share your boxes. Use hashtag Precuts Quilt Box or Precuts Quilt Shop, and then you're entered to win the next box free. So definitely make sure to do that if you share their boxes. Let's go ahead and see what's inside. All right, I'm going to start with the pattern this time. This is the Electron pattern by Villa Rose Designs. It finishes at 57 by 69 inches and it retails for $2. This looks like a super cute, relatively easy pattern, fairly beginner friendly. I will say that when I get patterns on with these little kind of postcardy type patterns, I mean, they're really just one-sided. The sewing instructions aren't super detailed, so if you're brand new, this might be difficult for you to follow. I did read through it and it makes sense to me. The blocks are not difficult, so I think you might just have to kind of get one of these and check it out and see how you're doing. I think you could probably even ask the designer questions if you have any questions, but there's not really step by step. It's kind of like, here's the finished block and here's kind of how you should put it together. So just something to note, but it is a super cute pattern and I think fairly easy. The next thing we have is this really pretty Metler thread. This is a 50 weight cotton thread with a silk finish, and it's in this nice pink rosette colorway. Hopefully it's coming across on my camera okay, but super, super pretty color. I don't think I have this color in my stash, so excited to see that. And looks like it retails for $3.55. The next thing we have are these Boro bags. These are from Mota. They're ideal for carrying all of your sewing needs, embroidery scissors, like if you go to retreat or anything like that. This one looks like a little scissors pouch, and it's got this cute little striped kind of fabric inside. And then it has the little button with a little elastic clasp on it. And then this one is a little needle minder, which is super cute, and I'm excited to have this. I've recently been embroidering more and doing a little cross stitch, and so I will definitely be using this. I'll put them in my little project bag so I can kind of take them with me. And then both of these come as a set and they are retailing for $10. All right, the next thing in our box, and it did come in a baggie so it didn't leak or anything, which was great. This is the Flatter Spray, and if you haven't ever used this, actually quite nice. It's a starch-free smoothing spray, and it says it relaxes wrinkles and freshens fabrics, and it's flat out fabulous. It's let's see, it says it leaves fabric sleek, soft, and static free. This retails for $15, and I have used the Flatter Spray before and I do like it. I did smell this. This is kind of a florally scent. This one says yuzu on it, clean with appeal. I don't know. Anyways, it smelled nice. I would definitely use it. A little bit florally. This is the orange bottle. They have a ton of different scents available. The next thing we have here is this cute fabric, and this is 5/8 yard of Rose Garden Tile Pink, and it features geometric Celtic knot pattern with a lattice style. It's retailing for $8.50, and I did look at the pattern, and it looks like this might be for the binding. That's the only thing I can think of. It doesn't really say what it's for, but there is a 5/8 of a yard binding required for this pattern, so I'm assuming that's what that is for. And then of course it goes with our jelly roll that came in this month's box, which is absolutely beautiful. This is the Majestic 2.5 inch, here's the tag for you, 2.5 inch roly-poly. And here you can see all of the lovely colors. It's a nice navy print with pinks and grays and florals. It's super, super pretty. This is 40 strips of 2.5 inch by width of fabric, and it retails for, it looks like, $42. Anyways, here it is up close, and this is absolutely beautiful. I'm not sure I will make the pattern that came in this month's box, but I could definitely see a bag out of this. I think this would be super cute lining and then some kind of patchworky type of outside, and that's probably what I'm gonna be using this for. I absolutely love this fabric. I just can't even explain how pretty it is in person. Hopefully it's coming across okay on my camera, but it's absolutely beautiful. And that's everything that came in this month's box, you guys. They do put the value on here, so they're saying the box value is $89.55, which is a great value. I feel like I got quite a bit in this box. We got this entire jelly roll plus the 5/8 of fabric. And then this is, I believe, a full-size bottle of the flatter spray. I think they might come in a larger one as well, but this is a good size bottle. It's not like a tiny little sample or anything. So, and it smells quite nice. So it was nice to get this. And yeah, I love these little packs and the thread as well. So I don't think I can complain about anything in this box. So that's it for the September Precuts Classic Quilt Box. They do also have a Stash Builder Quilt Box, which is full of fabric. It's like all fabric in case you're kind of, you know, over the notions and whatnot. You just want to get right down to the good stuff. But it is a great box. I have a couple of those unboxings on my channel. You can definitely check them out as well. And when I say full of fabric, I mean full of fabric. Like the whole box is stuffed with fabric. And I think they also have a table runner box as well. So they have a few different ones for you to choose from. Like I said, I'll put their website in the description box below for you so you can learn a little bit more about these boxes. If you like this video, please make sure to thumbs up and subscribe. Also, please leave me a comment in the description box below on what your favorite product was from this box. Thanks so much for joining me today, and I will see you next time.